So this is day 2. It's late, it's 1 hour to midnight, and I'm just jumping in to tell what's going on today. And today I built a flow chart in Miro where I'm showing how I will set up the cold outreach system. It's a strategic plan to achieve my goal. So I have reverse engineer how I will set up the email campaign with cold outreach in a program so I can get those 50 clients. That is my main goal, and to collect those 25 testimonials. So they have been super good and challenging because it's so much to navigate around, but tomorrow I will share the whole map, a roadmap for how I will reach this goal, and you will get it for free. I have used today to find out how I will reach the goal, and it have been a struggle to setting it up, but now I'm super happy with it. And yeah, tomorrow I will show you the whole process so you can copy it if you want and use it for yourself. So see you tomorrow,